In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new audio track in Davinci Resolve in just a few easy steps. Whether you're tackling a big project or just learning the ropes of this powerful editing tool, knowing how to manage your audio tracks is an essential skill that can really elevate the quality of your work. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open Davinci Resolve. Make sure you have it installed and ready to go on your computer. Once it's up and running, find and click on the project you're currently working on or create a new one if that's what you need. With your project open, you're now ready to head to the edit page. This space is the heart of your video editing endeavors in Davinci Resolve, where most of your time will likely be spent crafting and perfecting your project. In the edit page, you'll see your timeline, and this is where you'll be adding your new audio track. A little trick here, right-clicking is your best friend. By right-clicking anywhere inside the timeline area, you open up a menu that provides various options to adjust your project's elements. Look for the option that says Add Track. Clicking on this will give you another set of options, specifically asking whether you want a mono or stereo track. The choice between mono and stereo depends on your project's needs. For a quick explanation to help your decision, mono audio uses a single channel, making it a solid choice for voiceovers or singular sound sources, whereas stereo uses two channels, typically suited for music or environments that benefit from depth and spatial sound distribution. Choose what fits your project best. Remember, organizing your audio tracks efficiently can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Each track is like a layer, allowing you to mix various audio elements without losing control. Plus, if your project involves a complex soundscape, having separate mono and stereo tracks for voice, music, and sound effects can lend much more precision to your editing process. There you have it, a straightforward way to add new audio tracks in Davinci Resolve. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Davinci Resolve is a robust platform that offers a wide range of possibilities for amateur and professional videographers alike. Mastering simple tasks like adding audio tracks can help you tap into the full potential of your projects, making them as dynamic and engaging as possible. Thank you for joining me, and happy editing.